it's like a dream come true to be here showing the movie in Spain and to be here together. I don't know, it's amazing.
Yeah, it feels surreal. It feels like a dream come true, honestly.
Yeah, so this is my first feature film, and I don't think it's yours.
It's not the first feature film I've worked on, but it's the first feature narrative film that I've designed.
Yeah, I think it subconsciously related to the film. So our crew was mostly women and queer men, which was a really nice thing that kind of organically happened. It wasn't something that we discussed. Working with Steven's amazing. He's such a sweet person, which is why I think he's such a great villain. My theory is it's almost like his outlet. Like he can be such a good person in real life because he can be so evil on screen and on stage. But he was wonderful. He was fearless. Mm-hmm. There are all these moments in the movie where if you see it, he's very evil or very vulnerable.
You know, for a film, usually in theater you rehearse a lot, but they rehearsed a lot because it was almost choreographed. You know, it was like everything had to be coordinated to a T, especially when you're doing something that is very delicate.